up against EU. Both squads currently undefeated. More autos are coming in as the Harrier, the auto, and Hoodie picks up a kill. So much damage now. The war cry from Hoodie as well.
The casualties are already mounting. Ignite setting first blood.
No!
Yes! Oh, here comes Fuel. Wait. The shield. Make it split screen. Stop it. I don't know. No, it's game over.
That's going to be the ultimate. It won't be enough. The exhaust from Bjergsen first. As soon as he gets out, a few more shots. Bjergsen's going to move on to the semifinals.
How does it feel that you're against me?
Well, you know, you are my ex-girlfriend according to Reddit.
Right.
With enough stacks, Kissing should die. Here's your lead.
Yeah, the ignite goes down. Double lift very low. Double lift lives with less than 10 HP. Be able to get the win. Slowly happening. He goes down. Froggen, clock blocks, Afro move.
And it's a retreat from the
Here we go.
He's looking for more. Looking for. Team Fire take the lead.
I just saved you, dude.
It's over. GG.
It's not easy.
Oh, 1v3?
No, West
This
Door.
is he gonna die?
Oh my
Oh
God.
my god!
West Door. Good. Team Fire takes down the assassin mode.
As Dorlin is getting shredded. Uzi takes him out. Bjergsen is also there, trying to get this final kill. There's the duel in for Bjergsen with Uzi in the back lines, wreaking havoc. Afro will be the last member to go down. The quadra kill over to Uzi. Impressive showing from the LPL, decimating the NA team and picking up yet another victory.